Hello everyone, welcome to K4 Craft. Today we are learning some basic flowers. We'll need paper quilling pen, craft glue, circle scissor. Now we are quilling a coil. I have kept it to the smallest number on the circle scissor as I want a tight coil. We will need 6 tight coils and 1 different color tight coils. After we are ready with all the tight coils, we will stick them around the different colored coil. Now I am quilling a coil. I have taken a bigger number on the circle scissor. We'll need 6 of these same coils and 1 of a different color. Again, we are going to stick the coils around the different colored coil. Now I'm quilling a coil. I'm taking a bigger size on the circle scissor and I'm slowly pinching it on one side, creating a teardrop. We will need 5 of these teardrops and 1 different colored tight coil. We'll glue these teardrops and place it next to each other. And we will place the tight coil in the middle, on top of the flower. Now I'm quilling a coil. I'm taking a bigger size number on the circle scissor. And I'm pinching it on one side, giving it a teardrop shape. We will need 5 of these teardrops and 1 tight coil. This time we will glue the bottom part of the teardrop to the different colored coil. These are some basic flowers. Thank you for watching.